analyze Flexi Cap funds? Key metrics you should know. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about Flexi Cap funds and how you can analyze them before making any investment decisions. Flexi Cap funds are a popular investment choice for many, but it's important to understand how to evaluate them. I'll be walking you through the key metrics you should know when analyzing these funds. So let's get started. First, let's briefly understand what Flexi Cap funds are. These are mutual funds that invest in companies of all market caps, large, mid and small cap stocks. The flexibility of these funds lies in the fact that the fund manager can adjust the portfolio based on market conditions, meaning they're not restricted to a particular market segment. Now, when it comes to analyzing Flexi Cap funds, there are a few important metrics you should pay attention to. Let's go through them one by one. First up is the expense ratio. This is the annual fee that the fund charges for managing the investments. The lower the expense ratio, the better, as high fees can eat into your returns over time. You'll want to look for Flexi Cap funds with reasonable expense ratios, but remember, sometimes slightly higher fees can be justified if the fund has consistently outperformed others. Next, let's talk about performance history. It's always a good idea to look at how the fund has performed in the past. Check the long-term returns, not just the short-term performance. Keep in mind, past performance doesn't guarantee future returns, but it can give you an idea of how well the fund has navigated different market conditions. Another key metric to look at is the risk metric. Flexi Cap funds are often exposed to different levels of risk due to the variety of companies they invest in. To measure this, you should check the standard deviation, which shows how much the fund's returns have varied over time. A higher standard deviation means that the fund's returns are more volatile. Along with this, you can also look at the beta of the fund, which measures how much the fund's price moves in relation to the market. Now let's talk about portfolio composition. This is where you check how the fund is spread across various sectors and market caps. Since Flexi Cap funds invest in large, mid and small cap stocks, you'll want to know how the fund manager is balancing the mix. For example, a fund that is too heavily invested in mid or small caps might be riskier, but it could offer higher growth potential. Lastly, don't forget the fund manager. The experience and track record of the fund manager are crucial when analyzing a Flexi Cap fund. A skilled fund manager can make a big difference in how well the fund performs. Analyzing these factors can help you make a more informed decision about whether a particular Flexi Cap fund aligns with your investment goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and leave any questions you might have in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.